How does traction condition monitoring solution work? We're gonna find out today. Everything starts with reliable data. This is Traction's condition monitoring sensor, beautifully engineered to capture vibration on the street axis up to 32 kHz, the surface temperature of your asset up to 250 Fahrenheit, ATAX certified, RPM and runtime of your asset. To install this is fairly simple. Our field engineers are going to go to your plant, help you figure out your most critical assets, and choose the best fixation method for your asset. There's a magnet here for convenience, so that when you're gluing this on with this adhesive that we send to you, you don't have to be waiting hours and hours until it fully cures. You can also use this wrench and expose the bolt of our sensor for more complicated installations. Once everything is properly installed, it is time to set up the receivers. This is our smart receiver. It will safely connect to up to 100 sensors at your facility with our proprietary communication protocol of 915 MHz. Then, the receiver will automatically select the best mobile carrier available at your region and safely transmit the data over 4G LTE. It's a staggering 3,000 feet of range in your facility that will go through walls and interference, and no industrial Wi-Fi needed. Now let's see what our solution is capable of in our software. So first step, we're going to scan the motor plate, 2 pictures of the motor plate. Now our AI is scanning and collecting this information. Meanwhile, we're going to log in the bearings. So this is a Marathon motor with an SKF bearing. The drive end, we have a 6205. And you can see the platform is populated with information and calculating all the failure frequencies for me automatic. And the non-drive end is a 6203. What's good about this is that even though you have this information here, our models are constantly looking into your fault frequencies automatically, so you don't need to worry about finding those failures. Now, our sensors are learning the condition of your asset. You will get an initial health report analyzing the current state of your asset, the failure scores of the following categories: alignment, rotating looseness, structural looseness, balancing, lubrication. For every different type of asset, you have various types of scores that we are going to track continuously. Another way to analyze the same information is to set up floor plans. You can upload your PDF, your CAD drawings, as well as any process diagram that you have currently at your facility. Once we identify a potential failure, you will get a notification of an insight, like this bearing wear, for example. These recommendations are auto-generated by combining the sensor signals with our GPT models that reads the datasheet of your asset and provides root cause analysis. For more pro users, you can also understand the detailed diagnostics. Why are you receiving this alarm? What was the failure mode that caused this alarm to happen? As well as comparison in the spectral analysis for this bearing wear region. Our platform also compares your asset with similar assets that we have on our database. This allows you to benchmark with how the best companies are running their asset within your sector. We don't want you to stop there. Let's close the loop between reliability and maintenance. Once you identify a potential failure or a functional failure, you can proceed to creating an inspection to give to your maintenance teams, as well as tracking the failure progression with our current tools. You can log in downtime hours, savings, or you can combine with an oil analysis, for example, to confirm your intervention. And for the power users that want to confirm the AI analysis, we have all these pro tools at your disposal, including listening to your machines. You can log in your RPM, multiple bearing frequencies and failure frequencies, save your analysis, compare samples, do the waterfall plot, sidebands harmonic selector, aka do your thing. Last but not least, this part is really interesting for management to track the availability of your plant, MTBF, and the most important KPIs. That's what we want to see on an MTBF. Thanks for coming along. Call 1-445-STRAC and our engineers are going to be glad to help you. See you soon!